starboard bow are 3, 4 different sailboats. As it seems, only one of them seems to be transmitting AIS. But we want to take a look and see if we can determine the other boat's speed and course. Place our cursor on the first target we want to track. We use the menu to go to acquire targets. We see the first square box on the first target. We see a second square box on a second target, and a third on the vessel directly ahead of us. I'm going to finish acquiring, and we see that our first target, now we see over here MARPA target 1 and MARPA target 3 are flagged as dangerous vessels. We're on a constant bearing and decreasing radius course. So we're going to go ahead and slow down long before they need to make any type of correction. We see our targets are moving 2.5 knots. It's likely they're not using their motor. We'll give them a wide berth.